Today's true blue tip: when blocking off your DOD towers on a Gen 4 LS, a lot of people will hammer in something solid and just block them off for good. That's fine, as long as it seals, not a problem at all. Trouble is, when you go to rebuild this engine at a later date and you strip it down and send it to the machine shop to have the block cleaned and all the oil galleries flushed, how are you supposed to clean out these holes? They are an oil gallery, and if you plug them solid, there's no way to get underneath and clean out any bearing material, etc. that's lodged under there. Rebuild your engine, put an oil cycle through it, and lo and behold, you've got metal in your engine again. This is how I like to do it. A little bit of WD-40, a 3/8 by 16 tap. There's no need to re-drill these holes. This tap size will go straight in. I've set my depth at 5/8 of an inch. And we're going to tap all these holes, as you can see, and put set screws in them with a little bit of sealant or Loctite. That way, if we ever do need to rebuild this block, we can wind out the set screws. We have access to get in and clean out our galleries. It's really easy to do. It'll cost you about $20. Just buy a cheap tap, 8 set screws, don't have to be anything fancy. And there we go. All the holes are tapped. We can now send this block to the machine shop to get washed, and then we can block off our DOD towers.